Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey guys, Charlie from Tin Man Metalworks here. Today we are going to learn I'm going to show you how to arch text in a circle like this. The fast and simple way is the easiest way to do it. Super simple once you get the hang of it. Let's jump into it. So I'm just going to go over here to my lineman folder and I am going to open up this file here. And we are just going to put some text on it the super fast and simple way. So we're gonna pull up our file. I have it sized. Mine's sized to 2 foot by 2 foot, so 24 inch by 24 inch. So we're gonna grab the circle tool here. We're gonna make it a color that we can see. I'm gonna make mine green. We're gonna hit Control, hold Control, and draw us a circle out here. Holding Control helps it hold the perfect circle shape. So if you have this lock on, it'll also lock the aspect ratio so it stays a circle and doesn't turn into an oval. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the circle and we are going to make the circle a little bit bigger than the inside of our thing, because our text is going to ride right on the edge of this. So once we have that drawn out, select your inner circle and your outer and your design, center those. Now that's perfectly in the center. Now we're going to go over here, grab our text tool, and just write out whatever text we want in there. Now I wrote out Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. So we are just going to take this, make it the size that we want. Now when you're doing this, you want your text to be, just a little bit inside that circle. I might want mine just a little wider because I want it to take up about half of this. So once you have that sized, now I have mine at 2.5 inches high. That's important to remember because you're going to put text on the bottom. You want it to be the same size. So just remember 2.5. So with your text selected, hold Shift and select the circle. Come up here to text and go put on path. That's going to wrap it on that circle. Just grab the circle, click it twice with your mouse button. It'll bring up these little corner arrows. That'll let you rotate this text. Now an easy way to get this level is to come up here and hold your left mouse button. It'll pull this little measuring arm down, and I just like to pull that down and rotate it until the tips of the letters on both sides are equal. And that ensures that it's not crooked. Now just select your text only. Well, actually, we might want to make this just a little bit bigger. So highlight both of those by holding Shift, and we are just going to make the circle a little bit bigger. Just so it looks a little nicer on there. Then we're going to have to grab our circle again, select it twice, and rotate that back till it's level again. Now that we have that where we want it to, we're going to select the text only, go up here to Path, and select Object to Path. Now that's going to allow us to move our circle and leave the text there. So now we need to put text on the outside. So we're going to select our circle, we're going to hold Shift, and we're going to pull that circle out till it's just about as big as our inner circle. And we're going to center that. Now the circle is perfectly in the center. We have it the size we want. We're going to go over here. I'm going to select red so that I can see what I'm doing. Come back up here to select the text tool. I'm going to put a name on this. Just write out your text. And remember, our last text was 2.5 inches tall. So with that selected, I'm going to go up here and go 2.5. And that's going to make that text 2.5 inches tall. So now we're going to highlight our text, hold Shift, select that circle. We're going to go back up here, or we're going to go to text, and we're going to go put on path. And then, so that puts it on the outside. Now we're going to go up here and we're going to hit this button right here, object flip vertically. So hit that, it's going to put it on the inside of the circle. So deselect everything, grab the circle, click it twice. We're going to rotate, oops. We're going to rotate that back where we want it. So zoom out a little bit. We're going to put that back where we want it, and in order to get that level, we're going to do the same thing we did before. Pull that down. Just align our letters up. Now, with just the text only selected, go back up to path, hit object to path. Now that just leaves it there. Now select your circle that you've been writing on and just delete it. Now your text is there. So with your text selected, hold shift, grab your backing, come up here, difference, do the same thing with this one, hold shift, select the backing, path, difference. Now that's cut out. Now the only thing left to do is just bridging your letters. Unless of course you're using a stencil font. But so I'm just going to draw out my bridges here. Easiest way to do this is just rotate it in place. Right click, duplicate, and this will keep them all the same size. Right click, duplicate, and just go around and bridge all your letters. And once you have all your letters bridged, we're just going to zoom out. We're going to highlight all our bridges at the same time. Come up here, go to combine. That turns them into one piece. Then we'll just hold shift, select our backing plate, come up here to path and union. That welded all those in there. Now the only thing that we're going to do now is we're going to grab our node tool, and we're going to go in here and erase all these nodes that we created on the bridge. Just so it cuts out nice and clean. Now that is ready to send to our table and cut out. Mine is sized at 2 foot by 2 foot, 24 inch by 24 inch, and it's pretty popular.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2 foot by 2 foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop, and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready-to-cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks Masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC Plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.